So first of all, a very happy new year to you all. And we begin today's class. I would start with essay number 1. This essay was seen on 17 July 2021. Last year now I can say, okay? And 1 p.m. India slot. The increase in people's life expectancy means that they have to work older to pay for their retirement. One alternative is that people start to work at a younger age. Is this alternative a positive or a negative development? Now, this is one type of the which essay? There are 3 broad categories: opinion, discuss, and problem solution. Is this a positive or a negative development? Falls under which category? Is this a discuss essay or an opinion essay?
Opinion essay.
Opinion essay. Okay. Opinion essay is asked in three different ways. It can be asked as, do you agree or disagree? Or it can be asked as, is it a positive or a negative development? Or it can be asked as, do you think the advantages are more than the disadvantages? Okay. So all these are opinion essays. And this is one type of opinion essay. In this essay, you have to tell in your introduction that whether it is a positive or a negative development. Okay. They have given you a scenario. Okay, and then they have asked that this is there, but tell us whether this is a positive or a negative development. Now, the thing they have written in this essay is that the increase in people's life expectancy, as you know, what is life expectancy? The age when a child is born, the age in that country to which that child can live, that is the life expectancy. Okay, so life expectancy developed countries is more, in developing countries is less, in underdeveloped is even less. But now life expectancy is increasing, and this means that people have to work till an older age because they have to pay for their retirement, because once they retire, they will have no source of income of their own. Okay, so now this is a fact they have written, and with this fact they have written that one alternative to solve this problem, to do away with this problem, is that people start to work at a younger age so that they don't have to work when they are old, and then they can save money for their retired life. Is that okay? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now they've given this alternative.
Yes, ma'am.
Now they have asked you whether this alternative that they have given you, that people have to start to work at a younger age, whether this alternative is a positive or a negative development. Now, you have to understand your essay topic very well. Okay, if you start doing that, life expectancy has increased, and is this a positive or a negative development, life, your whole essay will be a big zero. Okay, you have to understand what is asked, with what you have to say, that what is a positive or a negative development. Okay, so the alternative they have suggested, that people start working at a younger age, is this alternative a positive or a negative development? You get my point here? You understand?
Yes,
So you have to read the essay topic very nicely so that you stay on track and you don't digress from the topic. Otherwise, whatever you will write will be a complete digression from the main point that is asked. Okay, now we'll read this essay, and because this was recently asked, and I've seen that essays are being repeated very soon. So let us go through this essay and see what it says, what it holds for us. Okay, and remember one thing, these are just sample answers for you. If you have any ideas of your own, you can add, and you can even write a different essay altogether. For example, if I have said that this is a positive development, you can even say this is a negative development, and write your own essay. That would be correct. But whatever you say in the intro, you support it in your essay. Okay, that is what it means. These are just sample answers for you. It doesn't mean that this is the only answer, this is the only way this essay can be addressed. Okay, so you can whether this is a positive or a negative development, you can say it is a positive development, or you can say it is a negative development, or you can say with a while statement. You can go both sides. While there are some negatives to it, overall it is a positive development, and then you can write both. This is how you handle a positive or a negative development essay. ओके, इतना समझ आ गया आपको? इसको वन साइडेड भी ले जा सकते हो, टू साइडेड भी ले जा सकते हो. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, due to longer lifespan, many people are being forced to work past their retirement age. Now, this is the paraphrasing of the scenario of the first statement that is written. So have you understood the paraphrasing, right? So some people consider joining the workforce from a younger age as a solution. Now, this is the paraphrasing of the second statement that is given. I believe it is not only beneficial for people, but also for the society. So what have I implied strongly? Whether it is a positive development or a negative, what have I implied in this essay?
Strongly positive.
Strongly positive. Very good. Okay. So I've said that it is a positive development. Okay. Not only for the people, but also for the society. Now I have to support my introduction in the body of the essay. I have to be on the same track as I've spoken in the introduction. And so here I am making one paragraph. It's from the individual perspective, means how it is beneficial for the people. From the individual perspective, the first advantage of starting work at a younger age is that people can save more money and thus have financial security in their later stages of life. This ensures that they are not obligated to work during older age when most people are already suffering from health ailments. Secondly, young people have fewer financial and family obligations than older workers, and thus they are able to prioritize their careers. For example, they might be able to move from one city to another for a promotion, while it might be quite challenging for employees with a family. As a result, they are able to climb the career ladder faster, leading to significantly higher pay packages by the time they retire. Now, I've put 2 points in this. One point is that people can save money for a retired for their retired life, because then they will not have to work for at a later age when they are already suffering from health ailments. So is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And secondly, I've said that young people are, more energetic and they have fewer responsibilities, so they can move from city to city, and they can climb the career ladder faster. You can just expand on these 2 points and make a paragraph. In addition, now this in addition suggests that in this paragraph also, I'm going to support, I'm going to write more points for how starting work at a younger age benefits the individuals. Okay. In addition, starting a career early means that people have the option to switch careers in later stages of life, as they would still be comparatively younger, This might not be possible past a certain age in life. Finally, companies are also willing to train and invest in younger employees who are likely to stay with them for a longer time as compared to older ones. In other words, people have chances of securing better jobs early in their life. So early in their life, एक मैंने इसमें भी 2 point डाले हैं. The first point that I have put is that, sometimes people want to switch careers. When they start working late, then, by the time they think of switching a career, they are very old. Okay. And it's not possible sometimes, it becomes, but when they start working at a younger age, then even if they want to switch careers, they are still young when they think of doing so, and they can easily do that. Okay. And finally, even the companies who hire people, they want to hire younger employees, because then they know that if we are going to train them, if we are going to spend money on them, they will be with us for quite some time. They will not invest money in training older employees. Have you understood these 2 points also?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in one paragraph, I'm going to write the advantages to the society. The main advantage from a societal perspective is that, in general, younger employees are fitter and more productive as compared to the older counterparts. Moreover, starting the career earlier means people are established by the time they have families, and thus are able to devote more time to their children's upbringing. This can, in part, address issues like smoking, drinking, and drug abuse in teenagers, and also rising juvenile delinquency. अब ये जो पॉइंट है इसमें सोसाइटी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, जब यंग एज पे शुरू कर देते हैं लोग काम करना, देन दे हैव फैमिलीज आल्सो एट अ यंगर एज, एंड बाय द टाइम दे आर सेटल्ड इन लाइफ, देयर चिल्ड्रन, दे कैन गिव मोर टाइम टू देयर चिल्ड्रन. And so when parents give more time to their children, then the problems which are there, like in children who are left unattended, smoking, drinking, drug abuse, this also becomes less. So the society is also benefited, right? In conclusion, I would like to reiterate that starting a career early is certainly a better alternative to working older, as it would be advantageous for both the people and the society as well. Now tell me, is this conclusion any different from the introduction?
No, ma'am.
It
No,
should
ma'am.
not be different. Just play with words, but it should not be different.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is it. So is this essay clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll try to handle one essay of each type. That will be for today's class. This will be good for the beginners. Okay. So this one essay we've discussed is an opinion essay. Now this essay is another opinion essay, but this has been asked as, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Or do you agree or disagree? This means one and the same thing. Okay. Now this essay is that interviews form the basic selection criteria for most large companies. So you must translate this line, that interviews, most large companies, how do they hire? They conduct interviews. However, some people think that an interview is not a reliable method to choosing whom to employ, and there are other better methods. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now, this is another type of opinion essay. The first statement is a fact that many large companies hire people by conducting interviews. Now, the second statement comes with which you have to agree or disagree. And the second statement is that many people think that interviews are not reliable. Okay. And so other methods which are better than interview should be employed. And now they've asked you, do you agree or disagree? Now, one thing, do you agree or disagree? And to what extent do you agree or disagree is the same. Do not handle it any differently. Okay. Now this says then that other better methods. Now what options do you have? You can strongly agree and say interview is not reliable and other methods are better. And then you can give the disadvantages of interviews and tell what the other methods are and write their advantages. So this can be one handling. Got it? Okay. Or you can strongly disagree and say interview is the best method. Other methods are there, but they are not better than the interview. Okay. Or you can say, while interview is a good method, there are other methods which are as good as the interview. You can sit on the fence. Those सारे बराबर है, as good है. Got it? You can go, in a way you can give a concession that interview is a good method, and while interview is a good method, there are other other methods are as good as the interview. There are other methods which are as good as the interview. So equally good. You can say like that also. So this would be disagreeing with a concession. Have you understood that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in this essay, in my essay, what I've done is I have strongly disagreed. Okay. Because the statement says interview is not a good method and other methods are better. I've strongly disagreed and said, I believe there are other methods, but they are not better than the interview. Interview is the best. Okay. Now it is what I have said in the intro, I will support that. You can say different thing in the intro and support that. Your essay will be as good. That you have to understand. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is undeniable that most companies rely on interviews for hiring new employees. Okay, most companies rely on interviews for hiring new employees, but some people believe that this dependence on interviews is wrong and other alternatives should be preferred as they are better. Now, this is the paraphrasing of the question statement, right? Now comes my thesis statement. I believe that interviews are a reliable method and the other methods cannot be considered more effective. So I have strongly disagreed. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now my paragraphs are,
Yes, ma'am.
first paragraph, why interviews are suitable. Second paragraph, other methods, but then I have given the shortcomings of other methods by comparing it with the interviews. And then another method in the third paragraph, and then I'll compare it with the interview and say how it is lacking. Okay, and why interview is still better. So first para is, it is undeniable that most companies rely on interviews for hiring new employees, but some people believe that this dependence on interviews is wrong and other alternatives should be preferred as they are better. I believe that interviews are a reliable method and other methods cannot be considered more effective. There are many reasons why interviews are suitable for hiring new employees. Firstly, by an interview, the recruiters can get an idea about the personality and social skills of the potential employees. Now, this potential word, this is a hot word for us. You know, so many times this word has come in the readings with this meaning, with the meaning which I have put this word here. It has one meaning is, one potential is, when you say that boy has a lot of potential, that means ability. Okay. Now, here it is used in a different way. Potential employees means who are not yet employees, but can be the employees. Okay. For example, another example, supposing you've just cleared your +2 and you have to join a college or a university. You are potential students for any university. You are not yet their student, but you can be their student, right? So here potential employees, जो अभी employees नहीं है पर हो सकते हैं, potential employees in interviews. Okay. In interviews, there is face-to-face interaction and the candidates have to answer impromptu questions. Impromptu is without prior preparation, without prior knowledge, from which personality traits can be judged. Also, by asking some case study type questions, employees can judge traits like ability to handle pressure, confidence, and ability to think outside the box. To think outside the box means to think in a different way. Okay. So, this is one paragraph why I've said that interviews are better. What is the plus point of interviews? Then in addition, although there are many other methods for hiring, none of them could be considered superior to interviews. One of the other common methods is the written test, which is good to judge the theoretical knowledge of the person. However, this method cannot give a good idea about the personality of the candidate. By contrast, through interviews, employers can judge both the knowledge and temperament of the potential employee. Moreover, the written test is fallible to cheating, as sometimes candidates can take outside help. अब रिटन टेस्ट के मैंने डिसएडवांटेजेस बता दिए ओवर द इंटरव्यू. ये पैरा समझ आ गया? वेल हैंडल्ड है?
Yes, ma'am.
And the next paragraph, another selection process is group discussion, which is good where a major job requirement is conversational and persuasion skills. For instance, sales job. अब किसी शॉपकीपर ने सेल्समैन रखना है तो वो तो ऐसा बंदा ढूंढेगा ना जो बात कर सके और उसकी चीज बेच सके.
मैम वन डाउट.
यस.
मैम आप जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन वाला जो वो है जो कॉन्सेशन है वो उसमें नहीं था ना मैम इंट्रो में शायद से? क्या था मैम?
बिल्कुल था. देखो मैंने लिखा है, I believe that interviews are a reliable method and the other methods cannot be considered more effective. इंटरव्यू में मैंने कुछ नेम थोड़ी करा है, मैंने कहा बाकी मेथड इफेक्टिव नहीं है.
मैम वो ग्रुप
बॉडी में लिख
डिस्कशन
रही हूँ
है
ना.
एकदम से. ओके मैम.
हाँ, बॉडी में लिख रही हूँ ना अदर मेथड्स हैं. पहले मैंने रिटन टेस्ट की बात कर ली और उसकी शॉर्टकमिंग्स बता दी ओवर द इंटरव्यू, एंड फिर अब मैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन की बात कर रही हूँ. फिर मैंने ग्रुप डिस्कशन के नेगेटिव पॉइंट लिखा है, दे आर रियली नॉट सूटेड फॉर टेक्निकल जॉब्स because these are not customer oriented. On the other hand, interviews hold good for any type of job, as the interviewer can frame questions to test the particular skills they require. To conclude, I would like to reiterate that preference for interview for hiring among employers is justified, as interviews have advantages over the other commonly adopted methods. मैंने वही चीज दोबारा बोली है conclusion में.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing different, right? So this is a good conclusion, and I hope I have been able to make you understand handling of the agree disagree essay also. So we have done one, is this a positive or a negative development essay? We have done one agree disagree essay. Now third essay is again agree disagree essay. Most employers nowadays put increasing emphasis on social skills. Some people believe that social skills are important in addition to good qualifications for job success. To what extent do you agree or disagree? अब मैंने ये लिखा है कि मैंने इसमें ये कंसेशन दिया कि सोशल स्किल्स इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, पर ऐसा नहीं है कि इनके बिना बंदा जॉब सक्सेस नहीं कर सकता. देयर आर मेनी जॉब्स इन विच सोशल स्किल्स आर नॉट नीडेड. मैंने ऐसे करके भी लिख दिया है. तो ये कंसेशन हो गया एक तरह से. सोशल स्किल्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट इट इज नॉट दैट जॉब. I also believe that in certain jobs a person can contribute effectively even if he lacks social skills. अब बैक एंड जॉब्स है, किसी ने डेटा एंट्री करनी है, उसमें क्या सोशल स्किल चाहिए उसको? नहीं चाहिए ना. So there are jobs in which social skills are not that important. Okay, so ये मैंने इस वे में कंसेशन दे दिया कि सक्सेस की बात कर रहे हो, सोशल स्किल्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट देन it is also it is also possible to achieve success without having these skills. उस वे में लिख दिया. पर आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, एग्री कर सकते हो कि क्वालिफिकेशंस के साथ साथ सोशल स्किल इंपॉर्टेंट है, फिर दोनों के फायदे लिख दो, ऐसे लिख दो, वो भी आपका ऐसे ठीक है. So that it depends on how you what you put in the introduction. So now this essay is agree disagree essay. I'll skip it, but I'll share this with you. You can read it and you can see how it has been handled. I would like to touch all types of essays, one essay of each type, right? So this is that okay? May I skip it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next essay we have is this a positive or negative development? I'll skip this one also, but I'll read the topic and explain it to you. Some employers think that formal academic qualifications are more important than life experiences and personal qualities when they look for an employee. Why is this the case? Is this a positive or a negative development? Now, in this essay, they've also asked, they've given a scenario that employers जो है ना formal academic qualification जो degree है किसी के हाथ में उसको more important मानते हैं than life experiences and personal qualities. अब ऐसा क्यों है कि वो उस डिग्री को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट मानते हैं, और क्या ये डिग्री को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देनी एक पॉजिटिव डेवलपमेंट है कि नेगेटिव डेवलपमेंट है? इसको मैंने नेगेटिव डेवलपमेंट दिया है, और मैंने एक पैरा रीजंस का भी बनाना है कि वाई उसको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं डिग्री को, और वाई सोशल स्किल्स या जो एक्सपीरियंसेस को कम इंपॉर्टेंस देना, वाई इट इज नेगेटिव. मैंने उसके 2 पैरे बनाए. ठीक है. So I'm skipping this because it is the same. बस सिर्फ इसमें एक reasons का पैरा बनाना है because there is the reasons asked in this essay. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is the third type of opinion essay. We'll be discussing this. It is suggested that all young adults should undertake a period of unpaid work helping people in the community. Does it bring more benefits or drawbacks to the young people? Now, are the advantages more or disadvantages more? ये वो वाला opinion essay. This is the third type of the opinion essay. तो एक तरह से opinion essay हमारे सारे हो जाएंगे discuss. ये सारे young adults जो है should undertake a period of unpaid work helping people. तो ये unpaid community service है. कह रहे कि सारे young adults को करनी चाहिए. क्या इसके फायदे ज्यादा हैं कि नुकसान ज्यादा है? ओके. मैंने इसमें ये लिखा है, इसको आप ना वन साइडेड, इस ऐसे को फायदे ज्यादा है या नुकसान ज्यादा है, इसमें आप वन साइडेड नहीं जा सकते हो. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस that this type of essay has from the agree, disagree or positive, negative development essay. In those two types, you can go completely one-sided. But in this essay, you can never go one-sided because आपको statement कह रही है कि कोई भी scenario इसके फायदे भी है नुकसान भी, आपसे सिर्फ इतना पूछ रही है कि क्या इसके फायदे ज्यादा हैं कि नुकसान ज्यादा है. समझ आ गया point?
Yes, ma'am.
बस आपको अब ये बताना है कि किस इस चीज के फायदे ज्यादा हैं कि नुकसान ज्यादा है. बस that is it. Okay. Now let's see. It is considered by some that all youth in the community should work voluntarily for the benefit of the community. Although making the youth do unpaid work for the community can have certain disadvantages, I consider that its benefits far outweigh its drawbacks. तो मैंने क्या लिखा है? Although या while sentence सीख लो. एक ही बात है यहाँ पे, although and while interchangeable है. Although यूथ को अनपेड वर्क कराने के कुछ नुकसान हो सकते हैं, मेरा मानना है कि जो इसके फायदे हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा है नुकसानों से. समझ आ गया हैंडलिंग? अब मैंने क्या करना है, कितने पैरे नुकसान के बनाने हैं और कितने पैरे फायदों के बनाने हैं?
हम एक पैरा नुकसान का और 2 बनाएंगे बेनिफिट्स के.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. और अगर आप टोटल 4 पैरा ऐसे लिखना चाहते हो ना, तो एक पैरा नुकसान का, एक फायदों का, पर नुकसान वाले पैरे में जैसे आपने 2 पॉइंट डाले हैं तो फायदे वाले पैरे में 3 पॉइंट डाल दें. ये भी समझ आ गई बात आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
आप 4 पैरा ऐसे भी बना सकते हो और 5 पैरा ऐसे भी बना सकते हो, ठीक है। 5 पैरा ऐसे हैंडलिंग इजी हो जाती है बिकॉज बड़ा क्लियर कट है, एग्जामिनर को दूर से दिख जाएगा बिना चश्मे के कि अगर इसने लिखा है कि फायदे ज्यादा तो फायदे के 2 पैरे, समझ गए। तो इट दैट हैंडलिंग इज बेटर, easier I mean, not better, easier. Okay, बेटर दोनों है, अगर दोनों को अच्छे से हैंडल कर लो दोनों इक्वली गुड है मेथड्स। 4 पैरा मेथड एंड 5 पैरा मेथड हैंडल एंड एसे आर इक्वली गुड, राइट। अब एक पैरे में मैंने नुकसान लिख दिए, दूसरे पैरे में, अच्छा पहले पैरे में मैंने फायदे लिखे हैं, दूसरे पैरे में फायदे लिखे हैं और तीसरे पैरे में नुकसान लिख दिए। हम क्या कर सकते हैं, पहले पैरे में नुकसान कर सकते हैं और फिर 2 पैरों में फायदे लिख सकते हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, जो मर्जी पहले लिख लो जो मर्जी पीछे लिख लो। इज दैट क्लियर ऑल्सो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll be sharing this. You can read it. बहुत easy कर दिया मैंने, आपको समझा दिया है. I hope I am making I can make it reach to you how to handle these essays nicely. Now this is a problem solution essay. Nowadays older people who need employment have to compete with younger people. What problems does this cause and what are the solutions? Again, अब मुझे बताओ, प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन ऐसे जो होता है उसमें 3 चीजों में से कोई 2 चीजें मांगते हैं, रीजंस और कॉजेज एक ही बात है, इफेक्ट्स एंड सॉल्यूशंस। अब इस ऐसे में कौन सी 2 चीजें मांगी हैं उमंग?
मैम इसमें इफेक्ट मांगे और सॉल्यूशन मांगे मैम।
हाँ, पर आप कई बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि मैम देखो कॉज वर्ड लिखा हुआ है, कॉजेज नहीं मांगे हैं। कल भी हमने ऐसा ही एक ऐसे करा
यस मैम, करा था। यस मैम,
करा था ना सेम।
यस मैम।
ये ऐसे मैंने एक बार लिखने को दिया था तो बहुत बच्चों ने कॉजेज लिख दिए थे, बाद में मुझे कहते हैं मैम देखो कॉजेज लिखे हुए, कॉजेज लिखे, इसलिए कॉजेज नहीं लिखे हुए, कॉजेज नहीं मांगे हुए। उन्होंने पूछा है कि ये जो सिनेरियो है ये क्या प्रॉब्लम्स कॉज कर सकता है, तो मांगे इफेक्ट्स ही है, ठीक है। तो ये आपको इसके इफेक्ट्स लिखने हैं कि जो ओल्ड पीपल को यंग पीपल से compete करना पड़ रहा है उसके क्या इफेक्ट्स है। So we'll see how I have handled this and आपको problem solution ऐसे की handling भी आ जाएगी. It is undeniable that a growing number of the elderly are facing competition from the youth in the workplace. This situation is causing challenges for both the older and the younger workforce, but some steps can be taken to alleviate these problems. समझ आ गई इंट्रो? मैंने बता दिया कि मैं इसमें चैलेंजेस या प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में लिखूंगी और फिर स्टेप्स लिखूंगी जिससे एलिविएट की जा सकती है प्रॉब्लम। फिर ऑन द वन हैंड कंपटीशन अमंग यंग एंड द ओल्ड वर्कर्स कैन हैव ट्रबलिंग इफेक्ट फॉर सीनियर वर्कर्स। मैं एक तरफ ये जो कंपटीशन है यंग एंड ओल्ड का, इसका सीनियर वर्कर्स पे ट्रबलिंग इफेक्ट हो सकता है। They might find it daunting. Daunting is difficult. They might find it daunting to keep up with the latest advancements in technology. For example, in the manufacturing industry, the use of advanced machines is quite common, which could be tough for older workers to operate. Companies also prefer to hire younger workers because they believe that senior employees could lead to a decline of productivity and efficiency of the enterprise. तो ये हो गया आपको सीनियर वर्कर्स पे क्या इसके नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स हैं, ठीक है। और दूसरा, on the other hand, the young graduates may also feel unmotivated and frustrated as the senior job candidates have rich experience because of which they outshine young adults. अब उनपे क्या, वो उनको फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो जाती है, उनका वो डीमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं बिकॉज सीनियर एम्प्लॉयज की एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा है, तो कंपनीज उनको फिर प्रेफर करती है. Some employers prefer to recruit older people with higher work experience than those who have just graduated from the university. Without a decent job and salary, it is extremely difficult for young people to make a living, as a consequence of which some of them might resort to crime to fulfill their desires. These problems can certainly be solved by some policies of the government and steps at the individual level. To begin with, the government can encourage self-employment for fresh graduates so that the older workers are not laid off. Further, the government should allocate more money to pensions, which can basically guarantee that older people do not have to look for jobs. Finally, the elderly should plan ahead for their retirement and enjoy their retired life instead of competing for the limited job vacancies. To sum up, competition between both age groups for the jobs will continue to be more intense, but some steps at government and individual level can help to lessen the severity of the situation. ये lessen के spelling देख लो, LESSEN है, ON नहीं है. अगर ON होता तो उसका meaning, lessen का meaning different हो जाता. ठीक है? Now, is this essay clear? And with okay, and with this, is the handling of the problem solution essay also clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the last type of essay that we have to do today, we have done all 3 opinion essays. We've done a problem solution essay, and now this is the discuss essay. This will be the last essay that we are discussing today. Nowadays, more and more young people hold important positions in the government. Some people think that it is a good thing, while others argue that it is not suitable. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. This essay says that young people hold important positions in the government. Important positions in the government, आपको पता है ना, ब्यूरोक्रेसी में important जैसे DCs हैं, ये सारे young हैं. यूपीएससी का पेपर देके young people आ जाते हैं, फिर politics में भी young people आ रहे हैं. तो important positions in the government, politics में, ब्यूरोक्रेसी में, ये young people के पास है. अब now the topic for comes कि some people think that young people having the the seats of importance is good, whereas others say that it is not good. You have to discuss both views and then give your opinion. Okay? But इस essay में आपकी handling, आपका template बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. इसमें ये लिखना है introduction में. Let us go through. कल ये essay रह गया था हमारा, ये वाला type, right? Am I right? हमारा रह गया था ना कल discuss essay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So some people believe that having important government positions in the hands of the youth is advantageous for society. Whereas it is believed by others that only seasoned and experienced people, hande manje, हिंदी में कहते हैं, पंजाबी में, hande manje जो लोग हैं, जो seasoned है, experienced है, should be in charge. तो दोनों views की मैंने line बना दी. Some people say this, other people say that. वो line समझ आ गई, वो sentence समझ आ गया.
Yes, ma'am.
वो लिखने के बाद लिखना है, in this essay I will discuss both perspectives. ये समझ आ गया. उसके बाद अपना ओपिनियन लिखना है. अपना ओपिनियन आपने खोल के लिखना है, चाहे वो फर्स्ट साइड पे है वैसे भी लिख सकते हो. आई पर्सनली साइड विद द फॉर्मर व्यू, तो वो भी करेक्ट है. पर अपना ओपिनियन जो है वो अगर आपका दोनों से डिफरेंट है फिर तो अलग लाइन बनानी है, पर दोनों से डिफरेंट नहीं है तो भी आप अलग लाइन में पूरा लिख सकते हो खोल के. आई बिलीव दैट फॉर गुड गवर्नेंस देयर शुड बी बोथ द यंग एंड ओल्ड इन इम्पोर्टेंट पोजीशंस. अच्छी गवर्नेंस के लिए दोनों होने चाहिए, यंग भी होने चाहिए और ओल्ड भी होने चाहिए. समझ आ गया इससे? इंट्रोडक्शन, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
अब जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द डिस्कस एसे इज द टॉपिक सेंटेंसेस. टॉपिक सेंटेंस इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ एनी पैराग्राफ. Here you have to make it very clear to the examiner that you are giving the views of somebody else. Okay? On the one hand, there are many reasons why some people are in favor of young people holding important positions. Why some people say this, right? And second paragraph mein, on the other hand, the main reason given by those who think that it is not proper to give, matlab other people are saying that. तो ये फर्स्ट सेंटेंस से क्लियर करना है कि आप अपने व्यूज नहीं लिख रहे हो. पहले पैरे में आप कुछ ऐसे लोगों के व्यूज लिख रहे हो जो एक चीज मानते हैं, दूसरे पैरे में कुछ ऐसे लोगों के व्यूज लिखते हो जो दूसरी चीज मानते हैं, और तीसरे पैरे में आई बिलीव दैट करके शुरू करके आप अपने व्यूज का पैरा बना दोगे. और अगर आपका व्यू पहले पैरे वालों के साथ है या दूसरे पैरे वालों के साथ है तो जरूरी नहीं आपको थर्ड पैरा बनाना. आप 4 पैरा ऐसे में भी अपना काम खत्म कर सकते हो. सिर्फ इंट्रो कंक्लूजन में अपना मेंशन कर दो भी आप कौन सी साइड पे हो. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैं मेरे को बताओ, मैं प्राइमरी स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स की तरह पढ़ा रही हूँ आपको कि रॉकेट साइंस स्टूडेंट्स की तरह पढ़ा रही हूँ आपको? इजी पढ़ा रही हूँ कि डिफिकल्ट पढ़ा रही हूँ, ये बताओ.
मैम इजी, बिल्कुल
Easy.
बहुत अच्छा
Easy
बता
है.
रही हैं. Very nice.
Easy है, ma'am.
एंड लॉजिकल भी पढ़ा रही हूँ आपको, कुछ
Very
ऐसे
easy to understand.
easy to understand. And is it logical also? I mean, are you understanding things?
Yes,
आपको
yes,
logic
ma'am.
लग
It is
रहा है?
very easy.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. It
ma'am.
is very easy, reasonable, logical.
Very
Yeah,
logical.
ma'am, you're not making us confuse.
Yes,
Not making.
confused at all. And is
Yeah.
it taking away some fear of IELTS writing? from your mind?
Yes, sure, ma'am, sure, ma'am.
जो पढ़ा रहे सब दिमाग में जा रहा है.
जा रहा है, ठीक है. So on the one hand, there are many reasons why some people are in favor of the young people holding the positions of power. The first reason is that young people have a fresh perspective, which gives them a unique ability to come up with creative solutions. तो young people का एक नया नजरिया होता है, fresh, okay? नया नजरिया है, उनको ना creative solutions ढूंढ लेते हैं किसी भी चीज के. Unique ability होती है young people के पास. फिर they are not constrained by deep rooted societal norms. जैसे सोसाइटी में ये चल रहा है वही करना है हमें, तो यंग पीपल कहते हैं हम कुछ हटके कर लेंगे, कोई फर्क नहीं हमें, ठीक है. और एल्डरली ऐसी कुछ चीजें कई बार सोच भी नहीं पाते हैं, ठीक है. और दूसरा मैंने रीजन दिया है कि जो यंग पीपल है ना, वो जो यंग पीपल है उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को ज्यादा रिलेट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर देमसेल्व्स यंग. तो उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को ज्यादा रिलेट कर सकते हैं एंड उनको फिर सरकार में उनकी तरफ से रिप्रेजेंटेशन दे सकते हैं और उनके लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं बेटर देन द एल्डरली, ठीक है. सो इन अदर वर्ड्स, जो गवर्नमेंट डिसीजंस हैं वो यूथ की प्रॉब्लम्स को बेटर एड्रेस कर सकती है अगर यंग पीपल पॉलिटिक्स में होंगे तो. समझ आ गई बात?
Yes, ma'am.
On the other hand, जो लोग कहते हैं that it is not proper to give the reins of the nation in raw hands. Reins होती है लगाम, raw होते हैं, raw hands होते हैं जो मतलब कच्चे हाथ है young people के. Raw hands is that the young are impatient and lack experience. वो कहते हैं young तो impatient है, experience तो है नहीं उनको जरा भी, ठीक है. Governments need to take a lot of crucial decisions with large implications, and the young politicians might take rash decisions which may have severe consequences for the country. ठीक है. और वो कहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट्स को क्रूशियल डिसीजन लेने हैं जिनके लॉन्ग लास्टिंग इफेक्ट आने हैं. यंग पीपल ने तो वेस्ट में आके रैश डिसीजन ले लेने हैं और फिर कंट्री को भुगतना पड़ेगा, पूरे देश को भुगतना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. इन addition, they say that politics is very complicated and young people are too immature to understand its nitty gritties. Nitty gritties means उसकी बारीकियां, उसकी जो मुश्किलें हैं वो भी है, ठीक है. I believe that youth participation in politics and government is certainly beneficial, but at the same time there should also be experienced leaders. दोनों होने चाहिए, मेरा ये मानना है. मैंने यही बोला था ना इंट्रो में, combination of both. वही मैंने अपने बैनर में सपोर्ट करना है. मैंने ये लिखा है कि young can bring in fresh solutions and provide better addressal of youth related issues like employment, university fees and so on. However, the import of such decisions also means that there needs to be people with experience to guide the youth. Experience वाले लोग उनको guide कर दे तो सारा कुछ better हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Summing up, while I support that active participation of youth in policy making and execution, while I support the active participation of youth in policy making and execution, I also believe it must be complemented with age and experience. अब यहाँ पे complemented के spelling देख लो, COMPLE है, I नहीं है. I वाला compliment होता है जब मैं किसी को बोलती हूँ, hey, you are looking beautiful. That's a compliment I am giving, I वाला. और ये E वाला compliment होता है किसी चीज का पूरक, किसी चीज को complete करता है. तो young people को के पूरक है, old people also, they complement each other. एक दूसरे के पूरक है. ये समझ आ गया? complete क्या होता है? पूरा. तो ये complete से याद रखना कि compliment जो है E वाला, उसका मतलब है किसी एक दूसरे के जो पूरक है. Got it? I'm using some Hindi and there are students here who find it difficult to understand Hindi. And one of the students even gave me this feedback when she got her result, and she got a very good result. She says, ma'am, you have also polished my Hindi. So,
Ma'am, I am on that boat actually.
yeah, sorry. But
I can understand, ma'am. No problem. I can understand.
You could understand. I was repeating specifically whatever I said in Hindi. I was repeating that in English also.
Yes, ma'am.
There was nothing which I did not repeat. Once I had spoken something in Hindi, I would repeat that in English at the same time.
Yes, ma'am, you're doing it.
Yeah. I was doing that side by side. So
no problem, ma'am. No problem. Yeah.
So, okay, this was the class today. I hope you all enjoyed it. The first day of the new year, we began with our studies, and I think I wish that all of you get your heart's desires fulfilled this year, and all of you have a very happy year ahead of you, and may all your longings come true, and longings be may you all be blessed, and you get what you desire. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am.
Happy New Year to you.
Ma'am,
You too. all
excuse
of
me,
you.
ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, there was one question recently in, I think it's in December. One
Yes.
essay question it came.
Yes.
Can I read it for you?
Yes. Yes.
Blood sports have become a hot topic for debate in recent years.
Blood.
As society develops, it is increasingly seen as an uncivilized activity and cruel to the helpless animals that are killed.
Yes.
All blood sports should be banned. Discuss the main argument for this point and give your opinion.
So you can strongly agree with it and say all blood sports should be banned. And then you can give the importance of animals and say animals are also sentient beings. Sentient beings is they can, this essay is blood sports should be banned. Blood sports is, you must have seen in movies, they make animals fight with each other.
Bullfight.
Bullfight, even cock fighting is there. And all these are blood sports when they make animals fight with each other. So the animals get hurt also, and sometimes they die also. So this is bad. You can strongly agree that they should be banned. These sports should be banned. Okay, you can come up with ideas for this, and on Monday we'll discuss this essay in depth. So all of you have heard the essay?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
if this has been seen in December, this has all the chances of being repeated. So better do it. Okay? थोड़ा सा मैंने आपको discuss करा दिया कि you can strongly agree and for banning of such sports. Okay? That's
मैम एक क्वेश्चन था.
yes.
मैम आपने ना मैंने टास्क रीड कर रही थी तो विन विन सोल्यूशन का सिचुएशन का मतलब क्या होता है?
Situation means something which is beneficial for this side also and that side also.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay then. See you on Monday now. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy New Year, ma'am. Bye.
Happy New Year, ma'am. Take care.